Okay, so this one is a little bit different from what we typically do in terms of unboxing. We were able to get this ordered with our CA. Typically, we would just order it online. So this one, let's open it. Just picked this up today. Super cute. This is the Gaston keychain. It's really cute. This is from the Spring 2022 collection. Gaston is holding a newspaper. It's really cute. You can wear it. I think you can just wear it like that. Or you can use it as a key holder too. Very cute, very happy.